Good morning. Yes, now let us start. So, today we are doing some questions. I'm sending you. Okay. I have sent you. So, first there is series based questions. Series based questions. First is Z14, D16, H18, L20. Next number we have to find out. So in this series, there.
See the 14, the 16, the 18, the 20. It's on the even number, so the next one will have to be 22.
Yes, number is correct. The number is correct. 22 will come. So what alphabet we here can write?
We can do either O, P, or T.
Yes, there are three options. That is 22. So OPT, OPT. Yes. Now come to the what is alphabet number G and D and H. These
I
are
can't see the screen of yours.
these are alphabet numbers. These are alphabet numbers. Is it okay? Okay. Now the number of G is 26. So number we can say the number is has difference 4. So there is also we can say 26 is nothing but 0. So 0 to 4 cycle is going on. So 12 to next will be, comes after 4 is 16. So 16 that means 26 is so 16 number alphabet is P. P22.
It first goes, yeah.
Next ZXV, TRP, NLJ. So what comes next?
you can see from Z to X is 2, X to V is 2, and T to R is 2, and R to P is 2, so N to L is 2, and L to J is 2.
Yes, yes.
So there has to be like a difference of 2 between the letters.
Yes, correct. So what comes here in that case? So there is 22 number, this is X is 24 number, J is 26 number, T is 20 number, R is 18 number, P is 16 number, N is 14 number.
It will start with H. It will start with H.
Yes, the number 8, 6 and 4. These will the letter comes here. So
And
H,
it will be F.
yes, H comes 8.
And then it will be D.
Yes, E. Yeah, F. F. F comes at 6.
And then D.
Yes, HFD. Next series is 16, 20, 27, 37, 50. Then what comes next?
It's first the plus 4, then plus 7, and then plus 10 and plus 13.
Yes, plus 4, plus 7, plus 10, plus 13.
And then plus 13.
Yes. Next will what? So the increase in
16.
yes, the increase in 3.
16.
Yes, 16. So the difference is 3 plus 3 is there, 4 and 7, 7 and 10 plus 3, 10 and 13. So plus 3
So it
difference.
would be 66.
66 is the correct answer. Question 4. 49, 169, 78, question mark. So here is 4 option also given. 228, 225, 218, 215. Yes, have you idea? The question is tricky. The trick is behind it is that the 49 and 169. So 49, 4, 49 is 4 plus 9, that is 13. So this is 13 square, 169. 4 plus 9 is 13. So 13 square is 169. Similarly, 7 plus 8. 78 means 7 plus 8. 15. So what is 15 square?
225.
Yes, 225 is the answer, therefore. B option.
Oh, so the square.
Yes. Hidden square. Square but hidden. So the digits sum 4 plus 9, 13. So 13 square 169. 7 plus 8, 15. So 15 square is 225. Question 5. Find the odd one out. And there is series ACG, HJN, MOQ, and D option is TVJ, TVZ.
Is this the M O Q?
Yes. Reason?
Because if you see, if you do like, if you go and see it, so A to C is 2, then C to G is 4, then H to J is 2, then J to N is 4, but then it goes back to M, which then to that, and then it becomes only 2 as well again.
Yes.
So it is not correct. And then if you go to T, T to V is 2, and then V to Z is 4.
Yes. In other way, we can say between A and C there is B is missing, C and G, D, E, F is missing, H and J, I is missing, J and N, K, L, M missing, M, O between there is N missing, O, Q in the only P is missing one letter. So 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 1. And there is also U missing between T and V, and V, Z there is W, X, Y missing. So 1, 3, 1, 3 pattern should there. So C option is not following that pattern. Correct. Similarly, odd one out is sixth one. In sixth one, odd one out also. So EXL, GVN, ITP, KRR. Then question mark. No, there is not a missing. There is not a odd one out. There is find next one. So next one we have to find out. Question mark is there.
If you can see the end letter of each one, L, N, P, and R, they are all skipping two letters. To
We
which that
we
they're
can
skipping one letter, but
we
it's
can
two.
we can say after E, F, G, H, I, J, K,
Yeah.
L missing, and then M comes here. So first letter M. After and reverse order is there. R, S, S is missing T. Then U is missing V. After it V, W is missing X. So there is reverse pattern also there. So before there is R.
But if you also look in the last one, it's basically skipping
So
two.
P will come because Q is missing, then R, and the last L there continuous, we can say L. M is missing N, O is missing P, and then Q is missing R, then S is missing T. So MPT is the answer. Next is again series 7, 15, 32, 67, 142, 81. Find odd one out. Which one is odd one out? Have you got?
Just figure it out. So it's so 7 to 15 is plus A, 15 to 32 is plus 17, 32 to 67 is plus 35.
Okay, difference. So if you further find the difference, you can say there is a difference 9, there is a difference 18, and there it means the table should be there of 9. So there should be 27 difference. So in that case, then next 36 should be difference. So in other way we can say there is a pattern of 7 double of 7 plus 5 1. Double of 7 is 14 plus 1 15, and double of 15 plus 1. So double of 15 is 30 plus 1. Not plus 1, now plus 2 is there, 32. Now 32 double, then plus 3
Isn't it 562?
plus 3. So it gives 67. Now 67th,
Oh, oh, oh.
67th double plus 4. So it gives 138. So 138 should be there. And after it, it's double. So 138 doubles is 276 plus 5. That gives us 281. So there is natural number. So 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. This is the pattern follow here applying, and double the previous number.
Yeah.
Question 8. Select the number which is different from the other. That means odd one out.
Yeah.
So there is 4 option given.
So it will be 140.
Which one is different? First number is 6, second 21, third is 2, fourth one is 15. Select a number which is different from others. So different means odd one out. Idea? Any idea? Which option?
I don't really know.
Okay, now look, this is the divisible of 3, and 21 is also divisible by 3. 15 is also divisible
So is
by.
it 2?
Yes, that's why it is 2. The logic is very simple. It is divisibility rule of 3. Now next one is similar problem. Find, there is again 4 option, 572, B option, 253, C option, 341, and D option, 142. Same question, find odd one out. Have you identified the pattern?
Not really.
Look, 5 plus 2,
Oh.
and similarly 2 plus 3, and
Oh.
in the third one is 3 plus 1. So you can say the middle number is the sum of the outer two number. So 1 plus 2 should be 3. That is not following the rule. D option is, that's why odd one out. Similar to 9th one, 10th one is also odd one out. This time the alphabet is given. I think this time you can do this problem. So NPS, UWY, DFI, last one RTW.
It is UWY.
Yes, this one is correct. So reason is behind N, O is missing, then P, Q,
Yeah,
R.
so N to, yeah, basically.
2 letter is here missing, 1 letter is here. So similarly D, E is missing.
So basically 2, 3, then yeah.
Yes. Then R, S is missing.
So
T.
1 letter plus missing, then 2 letter missing.
Yes.
But that one has only one letter missing.
Yes. After U, V is missing. Then W. Then X is missing. Y.
Then it's X.
Yes. So this one is odd
But
one.
to be Z, you have to fix it up.
Yes, instead of Y should be Z. So let us come to homework problem. You have left 4 questions of homework. So I think the question number in homework nineteen, 20 you left. So first we 19, 20, and next one is 17 also. 17, 19,
I have 17, 19, 20, and 11.
11. Now come to 11th question. 11th question is here. In mathematics, so in maths test, Sunil score of Sunil is given 0.6 of what Manish scored. So what Manish scored. So 0.6 times of Manish is score of Sunil. Now second sentence gives and Manish maximum marks. Manish maximum scored 0.7 of what Dinesh scored. So Dinesh scored 0.7%. Score 0.7 of Dinesh is Manish score. If Manish scored 70 marks, the marks of Manish is given. How many more marks did Dinesh score than Sunil? So how many more marks did Dinesh score than Sunil? The question is already given 0.7% of Dinesh. That is the marks of Manish. So Manish 0.7 multiplied by 100, it gives us 70. 70 from 0.7 is so it means Dinesh scored 700 marks. If Dinesh scored 100 marks, or we can say 0.7 of Dinesh. Suppose Dinesh marks is X, that means total the Manish marks is given 70. So 0.7 of Dinesh marks, that is X. So off means multiply. So X multiply 0.7 is equal to 70. So X will be 70 over 0.7. We can remove the decimal of denominator. It becomes 700 divided by 7. So it gives us 100. So marks of Manish is X is the marks of Manish. So Manish marks is 100. Manish scored 100 marks. And Dinesh marks is given 70. Next we have to find out Sunil score. So Sunil's score is 0.6 of Manish. So 0.6 of Manish. So Manish marks is 100. That means 60 marks. No, I think whose marks is X? 70 marks is for Manish scored 70 marks. So this is not Manish. This is Dinesh marks 100. So here is the Manish. Sunil scored is 0.6% of Manish. So Manish marks is 70. So 0.6 times 70. So one point and 1 0 of 70 get removed. 6 7 ja 42. 42 marks is for Sunil. So we can say Sunil marks is 42.
100 minus 42 would equal.
Yes, Dinesh scored is 100. So the difference between how many more marks?
58.
Yes, 58 is the correct answer. 58 is the difference. Difference of both the marks is 58. So in this way, A option is correct here. Your 12th answer is correct after 11th. Next come to 17. In between you can join next meeting. Next meeting you can join. Question 17. 1.2 liter of water leaked out from a tank with a base area of 800 centimeter square. Find the decrease in water level in the tank. Find the decrease in water level in tank. So this is the question of volume because 1.2 liter is volume. So leaked out volume is 1.2 liter. In centimeter, 1 liter equal to 1 liter equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So here we can convert 1.2 liter into centimeter cube. It becomes 1.2 multiply 1000. So 1200 centimeter square. This is the leaked volume. Now here is the cylindrical base. So here is cylinder. So base area is given 800 centimeter square. And volume we can find out. Volume is also find out by the base area into height. This is the volume formula. Base area times height. So volume is 1200. Base area is 800. And we can find out in that case height. So height is nothing but divide 1200 by 800. So 1200 divided by 800. 2020 cancel out. So 12 divided by 8, cancel by 4, 3 times 2 times. So 1.5 centimeter is the height. So this 1.5 centimeter of the height is decreased in level of water due to leakage of water in the tank. So this is given in 1.5 is given in D option. D option is right. Question 19 is a piece of string is cut into two pieces. A piece of string is cut into two pieces. The ratio of the longer piece to the shorter piece is 9:5. The difference in length of the two strings is 36 centimeter. Find the length of original string. So here is the question. A piece of string is cut into two pieces. The ratio of longer piece to the shorter piece. So two pieces is there. One is shorter, other one is longer. So the ratio. So we can say 9x and 5x are the two strings length. We add multiply with x. So 9x is the longer piece and the shorter piece is 5x. And the question is saying the difference in the longer and shorter is 36. So difference means we can say according to problem 9x minus 5x is given 36 centimeter. So 9x minus 5x it gives us 4x. 9 minus 5 is 4. So x we can determine here first. So x will be 4 will go in denominator of 36. So x will be 36 divided by 4. Both side we divide by 4. It gives us 9. X is 9. After getting the x, we can say first longer piece length is 9x. So 9 times 9. X is 9. So 9 times 9 is 81. So first longer piece is length is 81 centimeter. And shorter piece is 5x. So 5x means 5 into 9. X is 9. So 9 5 is 45. And total length of the string is 81 plus 45 because the sum of both the pieces is the total string, original string. So it gives us 126 centimeter total. 126 given in A option. Your last number question is 20th, and the question is instead of multiplying a certain number a by 50, instead of multiplying a certain number a by 50, David multiplied it David multiplied it by 15. The answer was 1575, less than the correct answer. Find the correct value of a multiply 5 plus 5. So instead of multiplying certain number a by 50, so a multiplied by 50, David multiply it by 15. So what changes in the result? The answer was 1575. So it means David multiply a with 15, and its answer, David's answer is 1575. In that case, the number a was the 15. We divide both sides, so it 15 we can send in denominator. It will divide the mostly the division is here. One, it divides first one time, then it divide one, we put 0 because 2 digit we take the second time. So 15 5 they are 75, 15 5 they are 75, 105 is here a. So 105 should be multiplied by 50, but due to mistake he multiplied by 105 multiplied with 15. That is why it gives us 1575. So correct answer. So instead of multiplying a certain number a by 50, David multiplied it by 15. So a number is 105. So certain number a is 105. So after getting the a 105, correct answer we can find out. The answer was 175, 15. So not 1575, less than. It is less than. It. I think the sentence is here. It is less than the correct answer. So correct answer is not given. It is lesser than. So correct answer, suppose x, and it is lesser than 1575. So we subtract here 1575 after multiplying. And in that case, correct answer we can say a multiply 50. This is the correct multiply, but due to mistake he multiplied by 15. That means the difference between correct answer and multiply answer is 1575. This is the correct equation we form here. This is the correct form we generate here. Now 50a minus 15a, it gives us 35a. So 1575 we write as it is. So 35 divide both side, it gives us, it is division of 35. So 1575, 35 divides 35 5 ja 175. So it gives us 4 ja 140. 35 4 ja 140. 17 and 5 comes down 175. It gives us 5 ja 175. So remainder 0. 45. Correct answer A is 45. So after getting the A value 45, now we have to find out our result of A multiply 5. A is 45. Then it multiply by 5. Then plus by 5. So according to board mass, first we multiply 45 5 are 225, then plus 5, it gives us 230. This is the correct answer. It is given in D option, 230. 230 is given in D option.
Yeah.
Code 21th, come to question number 21.
This is only homework.
Okay, 21 I have sent. Next is 25th onward. Suppose I think you know about percentage now. Percentage problem you are familiar now. Is any problem in percentage type questions? I have sent 2 pages as homework, and I am giving you one percentage questions for the today. So this is the percentage based question. So question is, Jimmy works as a salesman. Jimmy works as a salesman. He got a raise. He got a raise from rupees 20 an hour to from rupees 20 an hour to rupees 25 an hour. What percentage did he get? What percentage did he get? So this is the percentage based problem. Can you have idea? Percentage? Wo-
10%.
10%. Okay, how? Look the increase. Look the increase. If the initial was 20 rupees and after increase it is 25, so what is increase? It is 5.
Uh,
That is the increase.
yeah.
Now what is the percent of increase? What formula we use here? Percent in increase. What formula we use here? Percent increase formula is increase we write in numerator, then we write multiply in numerator 100, and what we write in denominator? We write old.
The total like
Yes, old price or old, that means initial.
price.
Initial. So initial was 20, increase was 5, and multiply 100. So 20 100 cancel out 5 times. So 5 into 5 it gives us 25% increase.
Okay.
Now you can recheck your answer. You can recheck your answer. The initial was 20 and it increases by 5, 25% of 20. So 25% of 20, it meaning 25% means 25 over 100 of 20. So it gives us, it cancels out 120 cancels out 5 times. So 5 divides 25 5 we get. So we get same answer 25. So it means 25% increase. That means after 20 it becomes 25.
Yeah.
So how you get the 10 answer?
Um,
There is nothing any chance I think we get 10. Either if we can write here instead of 20 we can write 25. In that case we get 25 for the 100. So it cancels out 4 times. 4 5 are 20. Finally we get 20%. 10% doesn't we can say is we obtained by any way. So today's class we are called off. Okay.